Alright guys, hello and good morning. It's still good morning, the 2nd of April 2021. So it's Good Friday. Markets are closed here in Australia as well because it's 10:47 in the morning for me here in Perth. And I just did the ASX update video. This is going to be the US portfolio update. So these were updated and all these are in US dollar, with the quoting here of the unrealized P&L and realized P&L. So, look, Tesla. I've got my buy price in. So originally I didn't do too bad. These three actually are okay. GNOG, which was originally LCA, that needs to be filled as well. And that needs to be filled as well. And that does too. Oh my goodness. Anyway. So, these three weren't too bad. Made early last year. GNOG pretty high. PSFE is PaySafe, so that was BFT beforehand. So that's pretty much a break even. I got it at 14.50, I believe. That's obviously taken into consideration the brokerage as well. That's why it's slightly less at 4.95 in the red. GNOG 1100. Tesla did actually close pretty strong for the week as well. The Nasdaq was on a bit of a tear compared to what it has been doing. So it had a couple of good green days, so it was nice. So that closed out my open losses there pretty nicely. That was a little bit more than that. So the current total, when I consider the realized P&L, is about $3,100, so nearly $3,200. So that's how we're looking. Yeah, so I mean, markets weren't too bad. As you can see, the real one is Tattooed Chef. So that was a pretty high entry at 26. I think it went up to 29. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it all. Let's see what happens. ARKK ARKG as well. So if you've been following and you sort of missed a few videos, that is the current situation. So feel free to pause. And do I have many comments to make about these positions? I would like to see TAN and PBW spread a little bit better to Joe Biden's. I guess he's very green energy focused. Again, these entries are a little bit high, but these ETF positions are longer term. I was happy with how PaySafe behaved as well post-merger, so they're up a little bit. And then NGA, that's still in the SPAC form as well, so I'll wait for that to play out as well. That's it. Square, that was nice. Adobe as well. From 440, I think was recent lows. It's back to like 478, so that was nice. And then Apple, that was later in the year last year on that entry. And then Tesla as well in the green. So it's in the red a little bit, but really the biggest losing position currently is Tattooed Chef. With this, the plan is, I'm 50-50 on whether I'm going to cut this. I'd love to see it get a push next week with maybe some strong risk on sentiment, but we'll see. Let me know. CoffeeZilla is quite entertaining, actually. I enjoy watching his stuff. Alright, so that's how the Nasdaq finished. Let's just have a look at NGA. So, yeah, so I've been in this for a little while. This actually was one of the first plays I got into. A friend of mine, Jackson, called this out. I have 97 shares in this, but as low as 1278. So it's been pretty well done and pushed to 21. So the original entry was quite good. Do I regret not getting out the full parcel? Not really, Again, if you guys have seen it, the lows on the account were 59, highs 79.9, so nearly 80,000. So we've had quite the shift with the account, you know, of 20,000 USD. So we're up 67 is break even as well. So let's just see how it plays out. Tech is showing some signs of life again as well. S&P 500 all-time highs, and US dollar is there. Sort of cooled a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. There's no real trade. I mean, charge point was good. I don't know what charge point. I think SBE. It's not that. I don't know why that was it. I just charge point. Charge point. I was well off. Good lord. So that got a perk up just with Joe Biden's comments about charging stations and things like that. ACTC, because they're in the pole position, maybe getting a contract for providing electrified vehicles. Oh, electrifying like petrol and diesel vehicles, I believe. So I responded a little bit, and then CCIV. You see all of them getting a little bit of a lift. Like, people are sort of like, okay, CCIV, good lord, got to 64, I believe, 65 nearly. That's the high there. 64.86. So, and Palantir, let's just ping on. So the companies that are pretty speculative, still not really caught huge favor again. So I guess we'll just see how Tuesday plays out. If we can get some carry on with this positive momentum, this positive buy momentum, we'll see. But again, guys, I'm holding all positions, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.